Budgeting is not just about restricting your spending, it's about gaining control over your finances and working towards your financial goals. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of budgeting, exploring the step-by-step process of creating an effective budget that aligns with your objectives and lifestyle. From setting financial goals to tracking expenses and making adjustments, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to achieve financial wellness. Chapter 1. Understanding the importance of budgeting. Defining budgeting. What is a budget and why is it essential? The benefits of budgeting. From financial stability to reducing stress. Explore the advantages of budgeting. Common budgeting mistakes. Learn about common pitfalls to avoid when creating a budget. The psychological aspect. Understanding the mindset shift required for successful budgeting. Chapter 2. Setting financial goals. Identifying your priorities. How to determine your short-term and long-term financial objectives. SMART goals. The importance of setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Prioritizing goals. Strategies for prioritizing conflicting financial goals. Adjusting goals. How to adapt your goals as your financial situation evolves. Chapter 3. Assessing your financial situation. Gathering financial documents. The documents you need to assess your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Calculating your net worth. Understanding your overall financial position. Analyzing income and expenses. Tools and techniques for categorizing and analyzing your income and expenses. Identifying patterns. Recognizing spending trends and areas for improvement. Chapter 4. Creating your budget. Allocating income. Strategies for allocating your income to different expense categories. Fixed versus variable expenses. Understanding the difference and how to budget for each. Emergency fund. The importance of including an emergency fund in your budget. Budgeting tools. Overview of budgeting apps and software to streamline the process. Chapter 5. Fine-tuning your budget. Tracking expenses. Methods for tracking your spending and staying within budget. Reviewing and adjusting. The importance of regularly reviewing your budget and making adjustments as needed. Dealing with unexpected expenses. Strategies for handling unexpected expenses without derailing your budget. Celebrating milestones. Recognizing and celebrating financial achievements along the way. Chapter 6. Strategies for saving money. Cutting expenses. Practical tips for reducing spending without sacrificing your quality of life. Negotiating bills. Techniques for negotiating lower rates on bills and expenses. Increasing income. Ideas for boosting your income through side hustles, freelancing, or investment opportunities. Automating savings. How to automate your savings to make it easier to reach your goals. Chapter 7. Planning for the future. Retirement planning. The importance of saving for retirement and strategies for retirement planning. Investing for growth. Overview of investment options and strategies for building wealth. Insurance coverage. Understanding the role of insurance in protecting your financial future. Estate planning. Considerations for creating a plan to protect your assets and provide for your loved ones. Chapter 8. Overcoming budgeting challenges. Dealing with debt. Strategies for managing and reducing debt while sticking to your budget. Overcoming impulse spending. Techniques for curbing impulse spending and sticking to your budget. Handling financial setbacks. How to bounce back from financial setbacks and stay on track with your goals. Seeking support. The importance of seeking support from friends, family, or financial professionals when facing budgeting challenges. Budgeting is a journey, not a destination. By following the steps outlined in this guide and committing to regular review and adjustment, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future. Remember, every small step you take towards your financial goals brings you closer to financial freedom and peace of mind. Happy budgeting! Hey everyone! If you're enjoying the budgeting tips and advice shared in this video, Consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content on personal finance, budgeting hacks, and financial wellness. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest videos designed to help you achieve your financial goals and master the art of budgeting. Don't miss out on valuable tips and strategies. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of savvy savers and budget enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.